Alright guys, welcome back to Mr. Post Frame. My name is Paul. It is freezing cold, but on today's show we're going to cover the grade board, we're going to cover frost protection, we're going to cover the fascia, sheathing the roof, and covering it with synthetic paper. For you guys that are new to the show, don't forget we have a Patreon group where we talk about self-building topics. So if you're a person who wants to self-build your own shed, barn, or post frame home, this group is for you. We do a live once a month. You get to ask us questions. You get to be in a community with other self-builders. It's a really good thing, so check that out. Next, if you want to design your own post frame home or building, we can also help you out with that. Email us design@mrpostframe. But let's go ahead and jump into the show. Alright, we getting these pumped out, and then I'm cutting my polystyrene to fit in there, so it's I gotta notch it over these these piers, and then it's gonna go down. I'm gonna use cap nails to nail it into the grade board, but this doesn't have to be perfect because I'll come through with spray foam and just seal up the edges. Then we just use these cap nails. I got my meme gloves on that Cash gave me, but just cap nails to hold that on there. See, we got this all backfilled. However, before we do that, we go through and fill the cracks along here, down along the piers with foam just to seal that all up. That way we got a complete seal. And then we come in and put rock and fill in on both sides. But this insulation, how far you have to go down is determined by your building zone, what's required in that zone. Now, let's go up there and measure across the top to see if we're even. We're half inch long. Alright, we're 1/8 different, so that's fine. The peak needs to go that way about, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch. Other than that, we're pretty dang good. Alright guys, this is a small roof, so it's actually worked out pretty square. We just checked, we were off 3/4 of an inch, so we put a chain around the center column, got it square. We're just going to double check our corners one more time, and then we're going to start sheeting this roof with 1/2 inch OSB.
Dropping down a big area.
Good?
Yep. Right there.
Alright, go. Let's cast, we'll take it another 10 feet. Jake can hit this right here. All the way across the top. We got to go see all these circles. Yeah. You just go every couple of feet. Just makes sense. Just make sure that. Yeah. So go all the way down, and then just make sure if you see one that's sticking up, we get it hammered down. Okay. Every once in a while, it'll shoot like that. And then our next row is going to be lined up with that. Be still tacked up. Good. confident you got enough staples in it that's going to hold us, Cash?
Yep.
All right. Staple that in. Up. Hold on. Yep. You can hit the corner. Let me, and then I'll go out like 8 feet to make sure we're running straight.
Yeah.
I can add the. That's why I don't want to. I only want one staple in, and I just hold. You see what I'm saying? It might be fine if it takes. Alright, you can pull that tight and staple up the side. Alright, Cash. Get that bottom right there, Jake. Ready? Yep. Jake, you can put more in across here, just down low where we have to get it up to get the gutter apron. I only want to do this once. Alright guys, that's going to be our wrap on today's video. Hopefully that was enjoyable to you. We left some labor costs in this video along with the material costs. We're trying to help you guys out as much as you can, so don't forget to keep watching this series, because each phase we're going to break it down, material costs and labor costs. But as always, appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next video.